Hey guys, I'm Dylan. This is Jay. We're the co-owners of Moving On Up, your local firemen who do moving. And we are here to give you your pro tip of the month.
Our first pro tip of the month is creating a plan. Being well prepared is always a good idea because we know moving is pretty stressful. By doing so, I would start labeling all the boxes in each room or using a color-coded system, which will make that transition pretty easy.
For tip number 2, we're going to stay talking about the boxes. We're going to ask that boxes be filled with books in small boxes rather than large ones to keep the weight down. And when you get through packing your boxes, have a designated area to set all your boxes at, just so it doesn't make it so hectic when we walk in. Plus, it'll keep the chaos down on you while you're packing.
For your pro tip number 3, we're going to talk about your mirrors and glass. So when packaging that stuff, it's always a good idea to use some of your blankets if you have some. If not, bubble wrap with plastic wrap is a good idea. And for some of your specialty items like safes, pool tables, pianos, instead of worrying about that, just call the pros and hire Moving On Up. Again, this is Dylan. I'm Jay. We're the co-owners of Moving On Up. Make sure you call Moving On Up for all of your residential and commercial needs, and be sure to ask us how you could get 10% off of any storage unit.